Afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful Friday afternoon. It's almost 40 degrees out. Lake is nothing but a solid sheet of ice. I'm slipping and sliding right now. Today we're going to do something just a little different. I went and restocked on some minnows, got some bigger ones, got some walleye minnows, and check these guys out. Oh, we got a couple floaters. Well, these guys are pink. Some of these guys are pink. I actually, in the fall, I want to say, picked up a bottle of Vicious bait dye, and it's got smell attractant in it as well. And I've been sitting on it for a while, waiting for my chance to use it. And well, today's the day, folks. So we're gonna set up. We're gonna punch some holes. Try not to die as I make my way across the lake to my spot. And drill some holes, drop the tip ups down, and do a little jigging and see what these bass think of these pink minnows. See if they're fans. Well, I got a long haul across the lake, so wish me luck, guys. Alright, here we go. Across this treacherous sheet of ice. It's filled with these massive cracks. I know it's safe, but cracks in the ice that you're walking on, standing over a big body of water, is a little unnerving. As long as I don't make any sudden stops or hit any of these little uneven slopes, I think I'll be alright. I'm gonna waddle like a little penguin out here. Chilly Willy style. It is beautiful. I love days like this. Tell you what though, this sled sure pulls nice. Across this ice, it just keeps going. Need to plop my fat butt in it, set up a sail, let the wind carry me. Skeer whip. Huh, check that out. Isn't that cool? Looks like a flower, a daisy. Ooh, there's a big mark, a big mark. He came and went. I'm gonna toss a minnow on here. Get these Garbo artificial waxes off here. Get me a little live action in my life. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna poke this dude into the old mouth. Look how pretty pink that is. The big mark's still just sitting down there. Drop it right in front of his face. If they're gonna hit something, your best chance is gonna be live bait. Ooh, I felt like something. Yep. Feels nice. Oh, he got off. That felt nice. He was strip and drag. Where you at, partner? Come back. I think he had a hold of the minnow. Oh, they're working so far. That was a decent fish, whatever it was. Drop it back to the bottom. Just give her a dangle. I wonder if he killed that minnow. He had a hold of it, whatever it was. And he got right under the ice and then let go. Looks like he spooked everything when he did that. Dang. That's kind of a bummer. Oh well, let's check this minnow, see if he's still alive. You alive, buddy? Did you get crushed? He got crushed. He's not even kicking. Oh, he's barely alive. Barely. It literally ripped the hook out of his face. Poor guy. Oh, it mangled his mouth. Oh, my guy. My guy. I wonder how he'd do if I hook him through the old dorsal. Get a little more action out of him versus through his mouth. Oh yeah, he's just kicking now. Get down there, bud. Set that guy right there. And I need to put a smaller hook on this tip up because I don't have giant chub minnows and I'm not fishing with hot dogs, so I just sit here and watch my rod in the meantime. Hopefully it doesn't get yanked out of the sled. I don't think it will. Oop, there's that mark again. I swam up to it, I picked the rod up and he moved. Oh, yanked it right out of his mouth. And he took the minnow. You dirty rat. Oh well. I'll get him on a tip up. What do you guys think? Oop, gotta get my tackle box. Where you at, little guy? Stole my minnow. Stick around, there's more. You get all these little guys on there versus that Mondo super hook here. Stole my minnow. There. Minnow. I'm gonna hook one of these big boys on here. This guy's kind of kaput, but he's pretty. Got that pink dye. Just like that. That guy's still sitting down there. See what he thinks of this fella. Come on, sink, partner. He's already coming up to it. Nope, I'm not ready for you yet, buddy. Nope, 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 nope. Alright, and we'll spin him up off the bottom. Which way? I completely unspooled the line. Oh, what an idiot. Oh, Lord. You watch, that fish is going to grab a hold of that minnow. Those are the types of things that happen to me. All right, there, okay. Are you down in the hole, buddy? Yes. Way lifts it. There, okay. Now it's set. Lots of bubbles coming out of the hole. And he's just sitting there looking at it. I don't imagine it's going to be long, and this tip-up's going to be flying in the air. The flag, not the actual tip-up. Wouldn't that be something? What kind of fish would do that? And where she goes. Or not? What are we wrapped around here? Nothing? Alright. Wrapped around the friggin' bail. And I'm just gonna leave that sitting there. Go punch some more holes. This slick ice sucks. Oop, something's hitting it. Like, there we go. Little bass. That worked out perfect. I was on my way back. Come on, buddy. All right. He nailed it too. All right, I got there just in time. The thing was about to peel out of the bucket. All right, a little dinky guy, but we'll take him. He's biting the living crap out of me. Come on, loosen up. What the heck? Whoa! Just about went down. Let go. Whoop. Alright, dude. Hey, bro. There's one on the board. On the pink minnows. Cool. What if he's got buddies? Ooh, something had it. Holy cow. Wasn't paying attention. There we go. Oh, a nice crappie. A keeper. Heck yeah. This is the nicest crappie I've ever pulled out of here. Look at that guy. My hand for, heck yeah. But is he even worth keeping? There ain't no meat on his bones. All right, Pot, now you going back. He's just gonna sit in the hole. Go down, go. You're free, be free. He's gonna need a poke. All right, let me get that transducer out of your way, buddy. Go down. There you go, you got it. Nope. Go down. There we go. A nice crappie. Heck yeah. It just went off. Holy crap. Stole it again. And I lost the fish. Wow. Another dive and a save. What the heck? Oh, I got it again? What? He ate it again. I put it down there and he freaking ate it. It's a little bass. What the crap? And then he spit the minnow on the ice. Wow, you guys. That was really disappointing and then got kind of exciting again. Okay. Oh, I biffed it on the way in and I still caught you. Suck that one, bud. Whoa. I did not think he was still going to be down there. He had to have been pretty strong. He had that thing, he had it in the hole. Like I landed on top of my freaking rod. The minnow is for sure dead. But unbelievable. That's the second time that's happened to me this year. Almost lost my rod. It's always on this Johnson spoon. I was literally walking at this thing and it went off and I wasn't even paying attention because I was looking at the ground. I didn't see it. I literally would have lost my rod if I wasn't headed over here, because I would have never made it over here in time. I was standing right here, like 4 feet away, and I did not have enough time to grab it. I guess I did because I caught it, but I barely had enough time. I thought I broke my rod. My feet come right out from under me. Dude, sitting right on bottom. I mean, right on bottom. I wonder if it's a catfish swimming around in the mud, coming up, taking peeks. But a catfish would eat a minnow. Catfish are predator fish. They're not bottom feeders. I mean, maybe they'll eat some grass and stuff, seaweed or whatever, but they're predominantly predator fish. And we can set that there for now. I guess I can set my auger on it and stop it from running away. Whoops, something's already hitting it. That was quick. Come on, buddy. I don't know what kind of hit it takes to set these things off. Hopefully we'll find out here in just a second. He's down there steady chomping. Let's set it and let's see. Anything? Probably not. He probably just cleaned the minnow. Nope, minnow's there. He was down there chewing on him though. I should have just set the hook. Stupid me sitting here trying to... Well, they're still sitting down there, so maybe we'll get a second chance here, just like that other one. Well, we just set it up in there. Let's see what happens. Whoa, whoa. See what he does, see if he hits the thing. I guess I'll just grab it. He's already hitting it. Got him. Oh, crappie. It's kind of that's what I thought it was. I've caught more crappie in the past 2 trips than I have in the past 3 years fishing this lake. Of course, these guys are not big enough. They're big enough, but they're not thick enough. There's no meat on their bones to eat. Oh, come on. There we go. All right, buddy, you earned that minnow. You can have him. Look at him choking that bad boy down. All right, have at it, pal. You earned it. Off he goes down the hole. And there's still one sitting on bottom, so let's load up another minnow. This thing just went off. Got him that time. Oh, another crappie. Oh, he's a thick boy. Oh, that's a eater. Heck yeah. Perfect timing again. Walked up on this sucker. And this dude, he's got a little more shoulders on him, but he's the only one that I've caught that is worth even keeping. So I'm not keeping him. Let him go, let him grow. Ow, I just shinned a chunk of frozen ice. See ya, buddy. I literally had just walked over from grabbing my tip up, and this thing set off, and it actually worked. I just started reeling down on it, and there's still some sitting down there. Someone is standing outside their house with an overdose of Axe body spray, where they got some weird laundry soap and they're pumping out dryer exhaust. This thing's already getting hit. Or maybe it was the minnow, maybe. But he was just freaking out. There's probably a school full of crappies down there. From the looks of it, that's what it is. Oh, that smell. It smells like cheap cologne or cheap body spray. Ugh. Like, you ever walk by the people in the grocery store and their perfume or whatever they're wearing just gags you? That's what this is, but I'm sitting out in the middle of a lake. I was filming my outro and this flag went off. I didn't see it. I don't know if it's a false flag or what. I'm about to see. I don't see it spinning. I don't see it spinning. I don't know. Let's check it. Try to prop you guys up here so you can see. I'm not seeing nothing. Yep, there's one. Oh, nice bass. Oh, buddy, he inhaled it. That's not. Stop. I know. You hooked yourself like you throated this thing. Can you not? No, sir. Oh yeah, he throated it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, he also splashed my lens. Yeah, let me wipe you guys off real quick. Okay, hopefully that's a little better. Alright, now I gotta get this guy unhooked. And my rod's in the hole. My rod is in the hole. Please still be in there. Please still be in there. It's still there. Oh, I slipped past the hole. Doubled up. Oh. That's all right. I didn't lose my rod. All right, we gotta get back to the other fish, guys. Woo, we are on fire, y'all. Let's go. I'm glad I set that auger on there. That thing would have went flying. This guy's gone 10 feet away from the hole. Hold on, buddy. This ice is like glass. He knows. Come on, partner. Holy crap, you guys. Oh, he literally throated it. Trying to rip this minnow out so I can see where the hook's. There we go. All right. There he is, guys. He's decent. Pretty average for what I've been pulling out of here. All right, I gotta get him back. I don't want anything to happen to him. Ouch. Crunchy knees. Crunchy ice on the knees. All right, you good to go, buddy? Yep. Come on. Pull a little bit harder. You guys think I should set it? Ready? Ready? Do it. Got him. Another crappie. Nope. It's caught on the transducer cable. Ow. Just got hooked. Stop. Pull the whole cable. Another crappie, you guys. Got into a mess of them. Apparently minnows is the way to go. He's got that sucker. Oh, yeah, go ahead and gawk it down. Gawk. Look at him. Look, got a freaking prom date. That thing hanging out of his throat. All right. Last fish for the night, guys. Sayonara. All right, guys. That's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys sticking around. I've slipped, fallen, busted my hump I don't know how many times. Almost lost a rod. So I finally caught some on the auto hook setter that I got. That was pretty cool. Caught a bunch of crappie, a couple bass. A little more than I could ask for. I did a lot better than I did last time. So, well, if you guys enjoyed, as always, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Helps me out. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.